This is, you say corn. Is it grits? How
Yes,
many?
Yes.
Just grits.
Yeah, but done in a Soweto style.
Yeah, man, it's Randy again, hanging with the Cape Town road boy. What's your name?
Vincent.
Vincent.
Allah, the Uber driver.
Yeah. So what's your style? What's your story, Vincent? How long you been in Cape Town?
Vincent has been in a long time in Cape Town for about 10 years now.
Yeah.
Yeah, he's originally from Zimbabwe.
A lot of people from Zimbabwe are here.
Yes. Yes.
Is it to look for work?
Exactly.
You've been doing Uber for that time. What you been doing for a living?
Uber is only here for 3 years now. I was driving for different companies before, and I've been working in a hotel, in a guest house, and I've been a barman at a bar, so at a club.
Wow. So this is the real deal.
Yeah,
Real
man.
Township. Real.
Yeah, man.
So the Rasta man is fixing them after he stays in this area.
Okay. Tebe is in the back.
Yes,
The
man.
legend.
Yes,
Driving to the airport, man.
Yes,
The cars are living now.
So you guys listen to reggae?
A lot, man. A lot.
This is corn.
Yes,
Man.
yeah, man.
I know you don't have the time, right?
Really,
Yes, man.
but it's already.
Oh, that's where I want to go.
yeah,
Right
man.
there.
Never go there, man. When
Yeah,
you get
man.
the car, you see, man.
Oh, this is the real.
This is the real
Yes,
thing.
man.
Yeah, man. This is like Jamaica right here. This
Yes.
is just like Jamaica.
Yes, exactly,
You know?
man. Yes,
This is just like Jamaica.
like Kingston ghetto.
When I take you to the airport as a Rasta, they
Yeah.
get the biggest population like this called Kailicha, which means the new settlements, the new homes.
Yes, sir. This is, yeah, the water smells just like Jamaican sewers.
Yes, it's true.
This
Yeah,
is,
man.
yo, Jamaican, Randy, you see what I'm telling Randy, see if Jamaica, Randy again back on the movement, see how far I'm going for getting the things. Look here, right now, Cape Town, get to me there. I hang out with this is the legend right now, the real shooter. And the real people, blouse and skirt, the real Cape Town, real Garrison. Everywhere the people go, me dead there. Dep on it. People wait for the bus into Cape Town. What do I mean? Airport, Belleville. Wow. Cape Town, me there Africa right now. The real thing. Wow. In a Cape.
In the Cape, yeah.
So what is Zimbabwe?
Zimbabwe.
Tell us about Zimbabwe, the difference between Zimbabwe and Cape Town.
H2 and K2.
What can I say? It's almost the same, man. Same African cultures, man. The only difference is Cape Town is along the coast, and we're not next to the sea in Zim, you know.
So Zim and Cape people close together, they're good.
Yes, I know they're all good, man.
Because I know the Nigerians are not too good with a lot of people. What does a Nigerian get such a bad rap? All over Africa, I hear this. Nigerian,
There's no Nigerian in Zimbabwe.
no Nigerian in Zimbabwe?
There is, but not a lot is in Cape Town. You know.
Not a Nigerian in Cape Town.
No, there's a lot of Nigerians in Cape Town.
Okay.
A lot, but not a lot in Zim, you know. Yeah,
But there was some conflict recently about the Nigerian taking jobs or something.
Nigerians, to be honest, they don't work. They don't work like for companies and stuff. They do their own thing, you know.
Okay, they're the big
They're
man.
hustlers. They're hustlers.
They're independent, you see.
Mm-hmm.
So Nigeria is one of the first liberated countries, and but we have good Nigerian musicians, we have good Nigerian soccer players,
Yes.
we have good Nigerian doctors,
Yes.
you know. And there's a stereotype on Nigerian as drug dealers, but we also have drug dealers, local South African drug dealers. It's just that Nigerian, them are independent, them not cater for them, and not cater for the system, you see, because it's messed up already.
So they're very progressive Africans.
Yeah, man. They
Yes,
might
man.
go for it.
Because a lot of people try to give Nigerians a bad name, but they are the ones that really take it to the next level.
Yeah.
They are trouble
Yeah,
causers.
man. You see, so they must say, but me know some good Nigerian brethren will take care of the business. Them not fear if you know, boy.
So what is South Africans known for?
South Africans, they're known the negative or the positive.
Positive.
The positive, we hosted the World Cup.
Yes.
Yes, that's
We won the Rugby World Cup more than twice. We've won we're one of the best athletes, like in we were one of the gold medallion athletes and swimmers. Nelson Mandela stopped a possible civil war when he got released because he fought so-called liberation. He fought against apartheid. But Steve Biko is what we call the father of black consciousness. And then you get Robert Mangaliso Sobuka, who said Africa for Africans, Cape to Cairo, whose struggle was not just South Africa. So those were the few highlights. Like South Africa is supposed to be the last independent nation in the continent, if not in the world. And those are the thumbs up. Yeah, man.
Wow. What's the food that the national food, the dish?
In Zimbabwe they call it sadza.
Yes.
In South
Sadza.
Africa they call it, like that the maize porridge we just had. Grits, what they call grits?
Yeah.
It's our staple food.
So we're going to the car rental.
Car rental.
Yes.
Oh, okay.
We call it ipapa.
Papa, yeah.
Yeah. It goes with, enough people they eat meat, but you could eat it with vegetables like spinach, wild spinach and vegetables. So, and then what they call umngqusho. It's like beans and maize. It's called umngqusho. Like Jamaica, they have like rice and beans. We have beans and maize. It's one of our staple food. And then with our own steam bread, dumpling. Our own dumpling. We might go mash up some dumpling and some fish straight out of the ocean.
Yes, I.
So, but it varies from different regions. Like if you go to the north part, they have what they might call masonja. Even you see, when you go to the north part of the country, you get the Venda, there's the Tonga, and the Shona is very close cultural identity, even the dialect, you see. And yeah, man, but Cape Town and Joburg is the most cosmopolitan
So
cities.
we're gonna go to the. Oh, you're going to the main office, right?
What town are we going to?
Let me check. Yes, I.
If they catch you doing that, they give you a big fine.
Hold it. To film while you're driving, right?
Is it filmed now?
Yeah. Get the mountain for me. So you say they give you a fine if you hold the camera?
If you hold the camera or phone.
Yeah, get that mountain for me.
That's the Table Mountain. We're gonna be there soon. And just after the Table Mountain, this is what we call the Lion's Head. You see? It's a beautiful coastline, Atlantic coastline. So this gets over there, it's called Langa. One of the oldest townships in Cape Town, the first black township. Where the revolution took place. The Pan-Africanist Congress was very influential and dominant. And as we cross over, this area over there, you can see the stadium called Ethlon Stadium. It was revamped for the World Cup. So it's where you get what they might call colored people. But over there, the Table Mountain is where the University of Cape Town is based, just under there. We used to have, back in the days, we used to have black lions. But a man called Cecil John Rhodes colonized what they call Zimbabwe and renamed it Rhodesia back in the days. Master Bawalepa local animal. We used to have another animal that looked like a zebra called quacha. It had brown stripes instead of black stripes called quacha. All good instinct. But now this national road that we is in, it takes you as far as Durban to the East Coast. It's very good road through the Eastern Cape, and now we're heading to the CBD, the heart of Cape Town. Soon we're gonna be passing the castle where the first Dutch settlers came and colonized the country. And Cape Town is a slave city. It's a halfway station between Asia and Europe. So they used to have a halfway break to get refreshments and water and distribute slaves from the west to the east. And yeah, man. So it's a very historical slave town. We're gonna go through whatever those historical places in the city. On the east coast is a place called Simonstown. It's like it's when the sailors were there. One of the first ports in Cape Town in a long time. There is a golf course with rich people there play golf and business golf park. There, yeah, man, live and direct Cape Town 2018. Yeah, man, look at the mountain, listen, look at it. The claim said that it's got one of the highest chakras in the world. Energy very strong and positive there. So as we drive through Cape Town City, we'll come across some real natural environment like baboons and things like that. So it's a city but with its original natural habitats. Like in springtime, you can see Wallepa whales on the coastline. Even when we go to Robben Island, we come across some, sea lions and things like that. The country has one of the popular surfers, and North Rastaman old title. See? Yeah, that's the Table Mountain. And this is part of the Table Mountain. When you go to the other side of it, it's very flat. It looks like a table. And then when you on a certain angle, you can see the straight. You can see the flatness of the mountain and why it's called Table Mountain. And along this road, we're gonna pass one of the biggest hospital in the country.
We're going straight there?
Go straight. Keep on this lane. You're alright. Just keep on this lane. You're right. Just keep on it. It's gonna take us to the mountain edge a little bit. It's here in front of me is a big hospital, one of the oldest one, called Grote Skier. It's a Dutch name. I was there for a while in some medical situation. So that's the mountain. The vegetation is called fynbos, one of the potent herbs and healing plants from this mountain. Guatemala, the Bushman, or the Sen, or the Koi, used to be the original. This name. inside. It's a Cape Town. See, it's a big city. International city. It is quite shitty. But they don't have pity. People see me. That's the mountain right there. Disrespect about them. See there? It's the Lions Head. Check.
Wow, look at that. Whoa. Watch the ride, road boy.
Let's get right there.
Wow, man, look for the scenery. Get that for me.
Yes, sir.
Virgin, that is beautiful. You can't even stop yourself.
See,
Wow.
You could have stopped if you want. See, trust me, man. Trust me. We have to let you be a passenger sometime. Don't worry yourself. So this area, this is before there were the ghettos. It was the urban settlement where everyone used to stay, like Harlem. It's a place like Harlem, where everyone multicultural points. Now we enter the CBD now, so you have to take it slightly easy. Cross the we have cameras here, so I'm speeding.
Okay.
Yeah, man. So that was just fine. So this area is called District 6. That's where my mama used to stay. Right there.
So what's a good speed limit?
It's 60 on the road, and the highway is 120. Alright, so 10 left there. This left, this
I'm
road
gonna stay left.
left here. Cape Bay is a very bourgeoisie type of place, but Rastaman and Keta for them just mash it up and things like that.
So we're going straight?
Stay left. Stay left. And I go left. I'm taking off from here.
I'm gonna take a left there.
Yes. Gonna get some credit and
So then I'll run the place.
I'm around this in 1652. Straight down. I'm around the place and they even made a law to be racist. If they see a black man with a black woman, a black man with a white woman just chatting, it was illegal. See, this is Table Mountain over there. This is Oranjezacht. See, infrastructure is okay. Walipa Street people. Most of them used to be farm workers. And then you're gonna come across a Walipa Rastaman. This is Cape Town is a Rasta capital. Some of them stay up the mountain and they break earth.
Can you catch that for me? The artwork. Cool, that is wicked.
Yeah, wicked graffiti in Cape Town.
Wow.
Turn left, yeah.
We turn left on the light?
Turn left on the light,
Okay.
yeah. Inside.
So we can turn on the light. So where am I louder?
Right, get right.
We'll take a right here
Yes.
on the left side.
Left side. Get in there.
What's this?
This is a more. I'm supposed to do this, or you're in the other side.
Oh.
So that's other
Okay, all right.
setting. This is exit, entrance. And so we watch on that.
You can stop the recording now.